Today we're going to make a very simple steamed egg dish. I'm also going to show you simple techniques to make smooth and silky eggs. The dish is so delicious. I make this whenever I want something nutritious, warm and comforting. So for this recipe, we'll be using dried scallops. You don't need to use big ones. You just want the flavor and the sweetness from the dried scallops. Now I have this in my pantry all the time, so I can whip up something whenever I want something quick and delicious. Here I have some dried scallops. These have been rinsed clean. Now I'm going to soak them in water until they turn soft. Okay, the dried scallops are done. Once it turns soft, I like to break it up into smaller pieces. This is totally optional. I'm also going to set some aside for garnishing later. Now let's crack 3 eggs. Then beat the eggs with a fork. If you want the eggs to be more fluffy, you can use a beater. Then add in the scallops and the soaked scallop water. Some salt and mix well. Then transfer to a heat-proof bowl. Remove any air bubbles to get a smooth surface. Now we're going to steam the eggs. The steam time depends on the height of the egg mixture. This is about 1.5 inches. It'll take about 15 minutes to cook. Okay, the water's now boiling. Then reduce to low heat. If you're using a gas stove, adjust the heat to about this level. Cover with the lid, and then I'm just going to leave a gap. It's going to help the heat circulate evenly to get a smooth steamed egg. Okay, it's done. Oops, alright. Okay, let's see. Wow. It's slightly wobbly and it has set nicely. A few drops of sesame oil. You can also use garlic oil or shallot oil. Light soy sauce. Let's give it a swirl. Be careful, it's hot. Garnish with some dried scallops and some spring onions. Okay, I can't wait to try this. It smells so good. And see how jiggly it is. See how smooth and jiggly that is? Yum. This is so good. So smooth and silky, and the dried scallops are so fragrant. It makes the steamed eggs fragrant. This is just so delicious. You have to try this. See you next time.